See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-in Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-in Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
Meet the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitchi Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle, this little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel.
Hi, and welcome to the Kitchen Gizmo Workshop, where I present to you our newest innovative kitchen tool that makes your cooking experience easier and more fun. If you have a K-Cup coffee maker in your kitchen, you know what it's like to get a great cup of coffee without the mess or prep time. So when you're traveling or camping, you just wish you could bring your K-Cup coffee maker with you. Well, now you can with the K-Cup Press. Not only is it much cheaper than a machine, think of all the electricity you'll save. As long as you have access to hot water, you can take advantage of this great portable kitchen tool to make a freshly brewed single-serve K-Cup coffee, tea, or cocoa. To use, select a mug that fits in the press and place right under the hole. Take a K-Cup capsule and place it in the brew chamber, making sure that the capsule is completely inserted. Placing the reservoir will puncture the capsule. Now, fill the reservoir with hot water at your choice of 6, 8, or 10-ounce cups. Now insert the plunger and press down slowly to start brewing. It takes about 30 seconds. The taste of the coffee can vary based on the brewing time, so feel free to experiment and get your desired taste. Once the water finishes dripping, you're done. Enjoy. The plunger also doubles as a storage unit for 3 K-Cups. Take it anywhere you go and make your favorite beverage anytime. It's the perfect solution for the K-Cup beverage lover. I'm Holly, and this has been your Kitchen Gizmo Workshop presentation. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have somewhat of a different video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I teamed up with Zylac again to share with you guys this multifunctional kitchen tool. So I'm just going to go through all of the parts for you guys and show you how to use it in this video. So you have your transparent container where all of your food will collect, and this is the lid for it. And then you have a 2-blade insert holders to use depending on what you plan to like chop or slice. And it also comes with a holder to store all of your slicers, and you also get a variety of choppers that also comes with a holder, so that's really nice. Now you have this small brush for getting out extra food inside of your dental plate, and then you have your lemon squeeze, you have your egg separator and a slicer. And this safety holder device is to use when you're like slicing a potato and you get to the end of it. You want to attach it to this holder so that you can use it instead of slicing your finger because you're too close to the blade. So that really comes in handy. It's perfect to have. So those are all of the parts. Now using it is very easy to do. You can switch out the lid depending on which vegetable slicer or chopper you plan to use. You just pop it right out. Now if you plan to use any of the small slicers and like the grater, you will use this blade insert holder, and it has a positive and negative on it so that you know which way to insert your slicer. So that's a really good thing. And like I said, you have different ways to slice it. And if you plan to do any chopping, like you want to do small cubes or big cubes or long slices, like if you're chopping up potatoes or something, then you will use this holder and you just pop that one in as well. Now you do want to wash your parts before using, and you can just use some soap and water. It's recommended that you use a brush for the blades because you do not want to cut yourself. These blades are really sharp. Now I really love how many different attachments you can use with this. This is great for making breakfast. Like you have the slicer. I've never sliced my boiled eggs before, so this was really fun to do, and it slices so well. Do you guys see how nice these slices are? I really love this. You can definitely get creative with your meal prepping. And you have your egg separator, so if you want to just do egg whites for breakfast, this is a really great attachment and it works really well. So this is really great to have. It definitely speeds up your meal prepping time. So if you like to meal prep for the week, you can go ahead and just slice up all of your vegetables, store it in the fridge, and yeah, the container is really big to hold a lot of food, and it's multifunctional, so you can definitely use it no matter what meal you're prepping, breakfast, lunch, dinner, just a snack. There's an attachment to use for it. So yeah, I really love this device. I recommend it. I see myself using it a lot, and I can just go ahead and prep meals and like get all of my vegetables, onions, carrots, anything that I need to chop up. I can just prep it and have it ready when it's time to cook dinner. So if you want to get your hands on it, I will have the link for it in the description box, so definitely go and check it out. You can find it on Amazon. So yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing on this product, guys, to show you all of the parts and you know basically how to use it. And I really do hope you enjoyed watching. If you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome. And I do want to give a big thanks to Zylac for collaborating with me on this video and sharing this amazing product with you guys.
Hi, and welcome to the Kitchen Gizmo Workshop, where I present to you our newest innovative kitchen product that makes your cooking and entertaining experience easier and more fun. Today, I'm excited to tell you about a product that will definitely change the way you prepare your meals: the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide Machine. Now, if you're not familiar with sous vide, it's a method of food preparation that cooks food in a very unique way. It works by clamping onto any pot or even a container with water. Inside this is a powerful and precise heating element that heats up the water, and then the water gets circulated through this hole. What this does is ensure your food gets cooked evenly and to perfection. You'll see the LED screen light up with the temperature measured in Fahrenheit, and below that is the timer display. The accuracy of the temperature and timing settings ensure that the food never gets over or underdone. If you need to work in Celsius, simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The sleek scroll wheel is used to change settings, such as the temperature and time. This sous vide appliance is well made, with a great feeling ergonomic grip. There's also a safety feature that when there's no water, it turns off automatically. The sleeve is detachable for easy cleaning. The ETL certification assures you that this product has been tested and is safe to use. So let's get cooking. I've prepared this steak with my favorite spices and herbs and placed everything in this bag. Be sure to remove the air from the bag. I'm setting the temperature to 138 degrees Fahrenheit and we'll cook the meat for 60 minutes. Once it starts, there's no need to monitor the cooking. It can be set and left alone. I made a medley of vegetables with the sous vide machine for my side dish. Look at how amazing this food turned out. I can't wait to dig in. By the way, the Kitchen Gizmo sous vide machine comes with both a cooking guide filled with fantastic recipes and a temperature guide. Available in red, gray, and blue. This is a fantastic addition to your kitchen that will forever change the way you view a home-cooked meal. I'm Holly with the Kitchen Gizmo sous vide machine. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.